Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frank Mularcik, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at my growth portfolio with M1 Finance, just see how those stocks are looking, and the one fund I do have, two funds I do have in that portfolio, see how those are looking, and see how my total returns are looking over time. I'm pretty excited for this one because to be honest, I do not think I have checked this portfolio at all since the last video I made on it, which is really exciting to me just because that's why I use M1 Finance for this portfolio, is because I don't really want to worry about it. I just want to deposit my money and invest regularly how I have it set up to, and then just see where we're at from there. And first, I just want to share with you M1 Finance's referral program. So basically, if you sign up for an account using my link and deposit $100 or more for a regular taxable account, and if you open a Roth IRA, you have to deposit $500 or more. But if you do that, you basically get a $30 bonus to your account, and then I get a $30 bonus as well. So as you can tell, or if you can't tell, I really like M1 Finance as a brokerage. I use it, for my growth investing, where I don't want to, be influenced by emotions, because I know that's going to happen, and I know there's probably going to be more emotions involved with this growth stock investing, just because of the more volatile nature. So that's why I chose this platform. There's a bunch of other great features, but if you do want to sign up with my link, I would greatly appreciate it, and it would help you out as well. And just taking a look at the activity real quick, you can see not much has happened, but on June 1st, I did get a dividend from Visa, a measly 2 cents, but I will say it's better than 1 cent. So that's how I sort of look at this at this point. And this portfolio certainly isn't dividend focused at all, but the dividends are certainly a little extra bonus, I guess. And then I made my regular deposit $25 at the beginning of every month, and then those trades were executed. You can see that I bought these amounts of these various companies. That's just M1 Finance doing its automatic thing, which is great. And then if we just look at the portfolio here, right now it's $270, and I've deposited about $264. At least that's the cash flow. I really deposited about $40 less, I think, because I've gotten some referrals, and I had used someone else's referral when I signed up. So what I deposited is really only around $225, I think. And you can see we've gotten a market gain of around $6.41, and then dividends of about 9 cents since the beginning of the year. So in total, we're up about 3.36%, which is all right with me. It's definitely not fantastic, but this is certainly for the long term, so I'm not worried. So first up, you can see ARK-K is definitely overweight because I had it at 25% before, and now it's allocated to 10%. So that's down about 10%, which sucks. Yeah, it does, but in the long term, I think we'll be all right, and that's what I'm worried about. And then Vanguard VGT, the information technology ETF, we're up about 10% on that one. Shopify has been doing really well the last week or two. They're up 40% in this position. PayPal up 20% in this position. Amazon up about 9% in this position. Google has been doing well just over the last 6 months since the start of the year, so this position is up about 41%. Tesla, on the other hand, since the beginning of the year has not been doing well, so we're down about 19%, which I think is better than what it's been at some points, so I'm not too worried about that. I definitely think Tesla is overvalued at the current time, so I expect it to go down, but I also want to own a piece of this great company. So Visa, I think just a solid company. Same with MasterCard. They're both up about 8-10%. Adobe's up about 22%. Square about 5% up, and then Spotify down about 20% there, and Jumia down about 46%, which is not as bad as it was last update. I think last time we were down around 55%, so that's better. I think it was around 30% down recently. You can see it was up a little bit here, and now it's down a little bit more, but that's fine with me. Jumia is definitely probably the most speculative company in this portfolio, and I definitely realize that it's going to have a rocky next few years, and then hopefully after the next few years it can find its path and really start performing well as a stock. I mean, it's certainly performed well in the past year or two, but there's not a whole ton of substantial positive things coming out of Jumia quite yet. They're certainly doing well, but they are certainly not at that level that we need to see for them to become a little bit safer and a little bit more established of a company. So I would love to hear how your guys' growth stocks are doing over the past month or two. Mine have definitely just kind of been trading sideways recently, which I can't complain about. It's certainly better than them going down. So I will leave some videos right up here to past videos I've done on this growth portfolio. If you guys want to check out the progress over time, I think that would be pretty interesting to see. But I just wanted to thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.